Angat tayo.
My name is Junior Pegita. Together with Tick, we both are tied to CPR for segment up. Have everybody to your side! Sorry, okay? Sorry, okay? Sorry, okay? Question is control. Range 1, please activate medical assistance. Drive through facilities today. Talk to me when I'm doing patient assessment.
Hello, Ma'am Sir. My name is Michael B. Esabante from Santa Elena Elementary School. Someone patient control here at Estabit Elementary School. We need ambulance as soon as possible. Over.
Right arm, blood count. Kapay guys, kapay guys. Bandage, clear. Forearm, no blood count. Left arm and forearm, no blood count. Hip, no blood count. Right thigh and leg, no blood count. Left thigh and leg, blood count. Kapay guys, kapay guys. Secondary assessment. Head, back of the head, no blood. Wound count. Nose, ears, inside the chest. Neck, shoulder, no blood. Upper back, no blood. Sir, please don't get away. Have we need one for 400 feet? Have we need one for 400 feet? Right upper extremities, one count. Left upper extremities, no dot.
Sir, please,
Hip
1
bone,
meter
no
away.
dot.
Kaya na po namin to.
Sir, please, 1 meter away po. Right lower extremities, no dot. Left lower extremities, 1 count. First aid kit. Check for vital signs. Check for primary vital signs. Temperature 36.1.
Still bleeding. Still bleeding. Tourniquet ano? Sige.
Elvay, bandage please.
Prepare for transport. Recovery position. FNE2 for spinal management. Spinal 3, Secretary Command. Ready to run, ready to run. Ready. Ready to stop. Ready. Stand by, stand by. Secretary Command. Ready.
Sir, please, 1 meter away po. Sir, please, 1 meter away.
Sir, 1 meter away po. Kaya na po namin to. Sir, kaya na po namin to.
Sir, please, 1 meter away po. Sir, please, 1 meter away po.
Away po. Kaya na po namin to.
CO2 99, call rate 98. Ready to kneel? Ready. Kneel. Show me your hands. Prepare for transport. Show me your hands. Ready to start? Ready. Start. Prepare for transport. Everybody size up. Count by toes. 1, 2. Ready to squat. Ready. Squat. Hands to the side. Cover left. Ready to stand. Ready. Stand. Leg center face. Ready to stand. Ready. Stand. Ready to walk. Ready to start.